Pork, teriyaki, rice and broccoli. That's my recipe for today. I'm Rog, this is my kitchen and that's what we're going to be cooking. It's delicious, it's so tasty, you wouldn't believe it. It's cheap, so quite easy to make. And while we're at it, don't forget, hit that button down the bottom, subscribe to my channel. I've got loads of recipes out there and I'm sure there's going to be one out there that will suit you right down to the ground. Anyway, let's not hang about, we'll crack on with the recipe. As always, ingredients first. So here we have our ingredients for pork, teriyaki, rice and broccoli. Obviously, there's the pork. I've got here about 400 grams of pork fillet. Here I have broccoli. This is frozen broccoli, but you know, fresh is just as good, obviously. Probably a bit better, but who's to tell? And here are our tasty ingredients we've got. This is going to go on the top. Crispy onions, fried crispy onions, just the top dressing, make it look good, make it taste good. Some runny honey, I've got about 4 tablespoonfuls of runny honey and the same amount of a light soy sauce. Here I've got some crushed garlic, about 3 cloves and about 20 grams of crushed ginger. Some Dijon mustard, I'm going to use about 1 tablespoonful of that. And over here, just to put it on, we're going to have some rice. This is a long grain rice. I've got about 150 grams here, which is fine for the 2 of us. And obviously, make a bigger quantity if there's more of you sitting down at the table. Anyway, that's enough of that. Let's move over to the cooking side. So to start off, we're going to take a big mixing bowl. Into this mixing bowl, pour all your ingredients that you're going to need for the marinade. We're going to pop the meat in as well, and yeah, we're going to leave this for about 30 minutes at least. I mean, it would be good if you could leave it overnight in the fridge. We're going to put it all in, cover it up with some cling film and let it take up all those magnificent delicious flavours. I can't say enough about this teriyaki flavour, it's wonderful. Anyway, there we go. Okay, so the time's up. We put a frying pan on the hob, get a medium heat going. Into this pan we're going to put in all the meat that we've got. Swish this around a little bit, let the heat build up. Then we can put in some of the sauce that we've reserved. In that goes. Then we're going to give this a good mix together. Now what we want to do, guys, we want to let this cook down a bit until the sauce starts to get a real silky sheen to it. Flavours intensify and the sauce gets really thick and sticky. That's it, job done. Time to plate up. Onto a plate we go with a fluffy rice. Carefully place our teriyaki pork on the top of the rice, followed by the cooked broccoli, and finally we're going to finish it off with our crispy fried onion pieces. Sprinkle that all over the top. How chefy is that? And there you have it, guys, ready to eat. And this is one of the most delicious ways that I can think of for eating pork. Hope you've enjoyed this video, this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you all again next time. So take care of yourselves and bye for now.